So I don't know how well this will turn out on audio. It's pretty windy out here, but I picked me up a new bike. Ooh, and it sounds good. Been a long time since I've done that. I got shit to do. I ain't trying to get real muddy today. I just kind of wanted to have it out. Love this thing so far. Love it. That was the first time I ever fucking rode it. They loaded it up for me at the dealership. First time ever. Love it so far. High Lifter 1000 2019. New bike. My Ranger, I still have it. Because of my work situation, I go back and forth between Texas and Florida. The Ranger kind of broke. It needed a wiring harness and is kind of being a pain in the ass to keep here on a trailer. It wasn't convenient or cheap. So I towed that back to Texas, went to Oklahoma, Antlers Motorsports. Tony Duncan hooked me up with this. I love it so far. Couldn't be happier right now. I was kind of back and forth between this and a XMR 1000. I think the XMR was a little bit more, not too much. And I don't know. I just fucking stuck with what I know. So I got another Polaris. I don't regret it. The only thing I like more about the XMR is that it was a 2-up bike. The extended wheelbase, so a second person can sit. That's about the only thing I like more about the XMR. I know Polaris has junk fucking front diffs. Can-Am has junk rear diffs. They all suck. Every fucking brand sucks. I don't care who you are. Come to terms with yourself, admit it. Every brand is junk. Stick with what you know. Stick with what you like. I like Polaris. Pretty happy with it. I ain't trying to get real muddy today. I got shit to do. I just wanted to get this out, see how it did. I went actually to get the 850, but then this is only just a little bit more. Actually, it's about $4 grand more, but in finance terms, it's just a little bit more a month. I know, balling on a budget. This is just the initial video. I will put out more as I get some time on this thing, but I got a new toy and I'll be riding more often here in Florida now. Keep an eye out. I need some kind of fucking something where I can put my old nasty 79 sticker on. I'll have to figure that out. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe. Click that little bell so you can see all my new videos when they come out. Yeah, tell me what you think down below.